Hi, this is Reaper, and welcome to Trident Shield. So what I'm going to review today is a custom P320 X-Compact. Now, this is not your typical P320, because apart from the slide and the FCU, all the other parts are aftermarket. So what I'm going to do here shortly is I'm going to disassemble the pistol and show you all the parts that I bought. After that, we're going to go down range and have some fun. Also, I'll be using this target from TRX Arms. So I'll be sending 20 right there in the middle of the 1-inch box using Atlanta Arms Elite ammunition at 10 yards. From there, we're going to move up to 25 yards and I'll be sending roughly 5 right there in the middle of the 1.5-inch box. If not, then it's probably going to be around the 3.4-inch box. So the question is it worth spending all this money to buy aftermarket parts? Does it really make a difference? Well, we're here to find out, so stay tuned. Here's the parts breakdown. First, I have the Sig Sauer Pro Cut slide with Romeo 1 Pro on top. Everything else is stock, as you can see. Next one, I have the match grade barrel from L2D, followed up by the TPM recoil spring, and I'm using the lightest spring that they have in the pack. Next up, I have the Armory Craft takedown lever and the Armory Craft base plate. This is the Icarus Precision Grip Module and extended mag release. I also have the Grey Guns Competition Trigger Kit. Now this kit comes with the sear springs, the trigger bar springs, and also your polished safety lever. So that's everything. Now let's go to the range. Okay. So I got 20 right here and 25 right there. Oh, it's not too bad. So, what I've learned today is the fact that this pistol is surprisingly accurate. As you saw, I managed to keep my groupings within an inch at 10 yards. And this is before I zeroed it with a new ammunition. At 25 yards, I got 3 inside a 1.5-inch box, and 2 just outside of it. So, for a compact pistol, this is very precise, and I'm very satisfied with it. The ergonomics is great. Icarus Precision did a great job with this cutout, as my hand just wrapped comfortably around it. And I checked this pistol already multiple times, and I know it's clear. But just to show you the trigger pull, that's the take up, that's the wall, and there's the brake. And here's the reset. And the brake again. So the trigger pull is light. Grey Guns did a phenomenal job on that. Now, let's just measure the trigger pull. There you go. It's 2 pounds and 5 ounces. Let's do that again. It's 2 pounds and 10 ounces. Okay, so Armorycraft's takedown lever right here gave me enough grip to manage the recoil better, so I can take quicker follow-up shots. Their base plate was pretty good too, as dropping the magazine is fairly easy. So now, for our question, is it worth it? Absolutely. If you're all about accuracy and you want to get the most out of it, go for it. If not, and you just want to enjoy the ride, then maybe this will be too much for you. Comparing it to the stock P320 didn't make any difference. I can honestly say that it made a substantial difference. The trigger is very smooth, the reset is short, the accuracy is a little better, the grip is outstanding. I couldn't ask for more. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. Also, if you want to learn more about us, please visit www.tridentshield.org. Thanks again, and take it easy.